This is my pilot. Hello, pilot. And this is the setup for the new ignition control module. As you can see, this is under the coil, and I just installed new screws, longer screws, sorry. Yeah, and everything is the same. The coil, the wires, the spark plugs. You don't need to change anything, absolutely anything. See? You can see the connections to the new ignition control module. Are those connections, and everything looks like original. Okay, now let's start the engine and fire it. Perfect. Now, as you can see, the engine is working absolutely smoothly, as it never did before. I'm so happy. You don't need to change anything. Use the ignition control module. You can work with your same coil, original spark plugs and wires. You don't need to change anything like that. Okay. Thank you, pilot. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and just remember, believe in yourself. Bye.